All right, let's start with the big stuff.
Copy that. We're gonna need a bigger dumpster.
All right, let's start with these tires over here. Then we need to tackle that overgrown brush. We need to get all this cleared out today. Let's put the first marker right here.
Make sure this zone is clear.
Let's get these tires loaded up. Keep them moving, roll them over. Just a few more to go.
On day 3, the progress becomes visible. Large sections of ground are cleared, but tons of heavy debris still remain. Every great landscape starts with the right foundation. Spreading fresh topsoil is key for a healthy lawn. Every great landscape starts with the right foundation. This fresh green turf is about to change everything. It is hard work, but the results speak for themselves.
It's all about the final details.
A vision brought to life, where design meets nature. The ultimate outdoor sanctuary.